Best micro SD card for dashcam. Top 5 picks of 2021. Dashcam is basically onboard camera in your car or motorcycle helmet which records everything continuously. Unlike all the other recording devices, dashcam also have limited to no internal storage, hence required an external storage card such as micro SD card on which it can save all of its recordings. Having a best micro SD card for dashcam can help video recording everything efficiently. The high endurance micro SD card is a must for dash camera and can be life-saving in some cases. Card which can last longer and can handle 1080p FHD or 4K UHD video quality. First, SANDISK High Endurance Micro SD Card for Dashcam. Ideal for dash cams and home monitoring systems. High endurance. Designed for high endurance so you can record for up to 20,000 hours with no worries. Built for and tested in harsh conditions. Second, SAMSUNGPRO High Endurance Memory Card. Designed for video monitoring, ultra-fast read-write speeds. Built to last reliability. Third, LEXAR A667A High-Speed Memory Card for Dashcam. Premium memory solution for tablets, smartphones, and sports camcorders. Quickly captures, plays back, and transfers media files, including 1080p Full HD, 3D, and 4K video. Quickly run your apps directly from your memory card at blazing A2 speed. Fourth, SanDisk Extreme Micro SD Card. Amazing read, write speed. Up to 160 megabytes per second read speeds to save time transferring high-res images and 4K UHD videos. 2. 4K UHD and Full HD ready. 2. With a speed class 3, U3. Suitable for UHD recording. 5th. ARCANITE AKV30A2128 MICRO SD card. Micro SDXC memory card with SD adapter. Made in Taiwan. Waterproof, shockproof, X-ray proof and temperature resistant. Compatible with devices that support micro SDXC cards.